Hi everyone, we have a brand new Tesla Model YL here at Car Accessories, and before it hits the road, we are giving it one of the best upgrades it deserves, our Nano-Tech MAX Series. Since this is an electric vehicle, comfort is everything. Imagine driving under the heat without worrying about your cabin getting too hot. That's where our Nano-Tech film comes in. It helps block heat and rejects up to 99% of harmful UV rays, keeping both you and your interior protected. And don't worry, because this is a Nano-Tech ceramic technology, won't interfere with your GPS, mobile signal, or any of the Tesla smart features. Plus, the clarity get a crystal clear view day or night. Honestly, if you are investing in a premium car like this, don't settle for an ordinary Tint. Protect your investment while enjoying a cooler and more comfortable drive every day. Visit us here at Car Accessories here in Makati, Parañaque, Cebu, and Davao.